Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
What the topic is, what are those sacred months or the Ashur Hurum, sacred months? In generally, there is a difference of opinions in the forbidden month or the sacred months or the holy months. There is a difference in the opinions of the Muslim scholars. So I would like to tell you what is known to mankind, and when we'll analyze the ayahs in relation to the forbidden months or the sacred months, we can understand what is mentioned by the mankind of Muslims for these months and what is mentioned in the Quran, and we'll analyze that what is the sacred or the holy months accepted by the mankind generally. So I will give you two opinions. The first is, people say the first is Muharram, or you can say Safrul Awwal, a group of people. Then the second is Rajab. You can note down, the first is Safrul Awwal or Muharram, and the second is Rajab. The third is Dhul Qa'ad, and the fourth is Dhul Hijjah. These are the 4 months generally accepted by the so-called Muslim community as the most holy months or the forbidden months or the sacred months by a group and a class of people. Then the other second opinion is, the other opinion, you can again note down that the other opinion is, the first is Safrul Awwal or Muharram, the second is Safrul Sani or Safar, the second, the third is Rabiul Awwal, and the fourth is Dhul Qa'dah, that is the last 12 month. I'm sorry, Dhul Qa'dah, no, the Dhul Hijjah. I'm sorry, not Dhul Qa'dah, Dhul Hijjah, the fourth. This is the other group of people. I repeat, the first is Safrul Awwal, Muharram, the second is Safrul Sani, the third is Rabiul Awwal, the third itself, and Dhul Hijjah, that is the 4th month. This other group of people are accepting, these are the 4 holy months or the forbidden or the sacred months. These are 2 classes of people generally accepting as the holy or the forbidden months. Now the specific topic now for our topic is, what are those months or the holy or forbidden months? Next ayat. Surah Tawbah 9 and ayat 36. Surah Tawbah 9 ayat 36. Inna iddat ash-shuhuri inda Allah. Inna iddat ash-shuhuri inda Allah. 12 شهرا في كتاب الله يوم خلق السماوات والأرض منها 4 حرم ذلك الدين القيم. Surely the number of the months in the nearness of Allah are 12 months in the book of Allah. The day He created the skies and the earth from those 4 are sacred, holy, forbidden. That is established judgment. In this ayah we have come to know that there are 4 holy or sacred forbidden months. The Arabic word is Minha Arba'atun Hurum. Minha, in the year there are 4 months, Arba Hurum. Arbatun Hurum, 4 months forbidden. This whole verse I will explain in detail, just to make you the point in your mind that from where we got that 4 are forbidden. I'll just read few points to show you how we establish what are those 4 months. In Surah Al-Baqarah 2, Ayah 194, Ash-Sharul Haramu Bish-Sharil Haram Wal Hurumatu Qisas. The sacred, holy, forbidden month is with the sacred, holy, forbidden month, and the sanctities have relations. In this ayah, I'm just telling you one little portion. Ash-Sharul Haram Bish-Sharil Haram. The forbidden month or the sacred month is with the sacred, holy or forbidden month. Just this much. Before ayat, in the previous ayat, we understood there are 4 forbidden sacred months. 4. So we are trying to find out from the Quran what are those 4 months. That's the discussion or the topic from the Quran. So we come to know from this verse, ayah, that Ash-Sharul Haram Bish-Sharul Haram, that the forbidden month is with the forbidden month. They are with the forbidden month. Forbidden month is with the forbidden month, meaning they are interconnected. Now if you read further, I'm just reading it, I will come back again, read the whole ayahs and explain the whole ayahs afterwards. Then the further ayat is Surah Al-Baqarah 2 and ayah 185. Shahru Ramadan alladhi unzila fihi al-Qur'an hudan lin-nas wa bayyinatin min al-huda wal-furqan faman shahida minkum ash-shahra falyasumhu. Ramadan is the month in which Al-Quran is revealed as a guide for mankind and for the clarification from guidance and from the criterion. So amongst you whosoever witnessed that month, then he should fast in it. Now 1 month by the name Ramadan is mentioned in the Quran. I read to you 12 months. There were total in a lunar days, lunar month, lunar calendar or lunar year, there are 12 months. And in that, only 1 month is mentioned in the Quran is Ramadan. Ramadan. Ramadan is the month in which the Quran was sent down. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm asking all of you, don't you or won't you call this as the forbidden or the sacred or holy month? Come on. Ramadan is holy or forbidden or sacred month? So we have come to know Ramadan is mentioned by name in the Quran, and this is the so-called the first month we have come to know from the Quran. The month name is mentioned by itself, is the forbidden or the holy or the sacred month. The first month, Ramadan. I'm not saying first is but we know from the calendar that Ramadan is the 9th month in the calendar. 9th month. To make it easier, just open this also and I go for further ayahs. Just keep this page open. The further ayat we have to go on page Al-Baqarah 2 and ayah 197. Al-Hajju Ashrum Ma'lumat. This much I am reading. Al-Hajju Ashrum Ma'lumat. The translation is the month of Hajj are known. The month of Hajj are known. So ladies and gentlemen, listen. The 9th month is Ramadan. 9th month is Ramadan. 9th month. If you look at the calendar, you can see the 9th month. In the calendar, 9th month you can see. And Allah says, Al-Hajj, Al-Hajju Asharu Ma'lumat. The months of Hajj you know. So now, sacred month is with the sacred month, we have come to know. Sacred month is with the sacred month. So Ramadan is the first month. What is the next month? No? Shawwal, the 10th month. And Zulqa'dah is together. Is 11th. And Dhul Hajj is 12. So how many is? 4. So they are together. So by reading of the Quranic ayat, we have come to know that Ramadan is the first, Shawwal is the second, because they are together. Zulqa'dah is the third, and the fourth is Dhul Hajj. So now the first Ramadan is the month of Ramadan. What happens in the month of Ramadan we will discuss in detail. But the 3 other months are the Hajj months. Because Allah says, Al-Hajju Ashrum Ma'lumat. All the people, Muslim, all the people know what are those Hajj months. Allah says, Al-Hajju Ashrum Ma'lumat. The Hajj months you know. So we know these 3 as Shawwal, the 10th month, Zulqa'dah is the 11th, and 12 is the Dhul Hajj. So Allah says, you know this. So Ramadan is mentioned and he's given the three. You know these three. The fourth is the Ramadan is mentioned by name, and these three are mentioned. You can know. So they are four sacred and forbidden months. Anybody who have not understood? Okay? Any up till now? So this is how we come to know what are those forbidden sacred months. Hajj months are well known, and the Hajj months are Shawwal, Zulqa'ad, and Zulhijj, and Ramadan is mentioned by name. So they are all Asharu Bishar al-Haram. Sacred month, forbidden month is with the sacred month and the forbidden month. So they are all together. So after Ramadan month comes the first forbidden months, and then all the three are the Hajj months. They are known.